Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Fashionista Hairstyles, the ultimate destination for all things hair. Today, we have an incredibly exciting video lined up for you. We're diving deep into the world of long hair color transformations, showcasing stunning haircuts, sharing the hottest hair makeover ideas, and even giving you step-by-step hairstyle tutorials. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Get ready to be mesmerized by this incredible long blonde hair color transformation by the legendary Munir. In this clip, Munir works his magic on straight hair, creating a stunning look that will leave you speechless. With his expertise, he flawlessly blends shades of blonde, adding depth and dimension to the hair. The end result is a breathtakingly beautiful and luminous blonde mane that exudes elegance and sophistication. Whether you're a blonde lover or simply appreciate the artistry behind hair transformations, this video is a must-watch. Prepare to be inspired by Munir's unmatched talent. Get ready to be captivated by the extraordinary talent of expert Jader Generoso in this sparkling amber hair color transformation. Known for his expertise in locks and cuts, Jader brings his creative flair to create a mesmerizing look. In this clip, he masterfully infuses rich amber tones into the hair, creating a warm and vibrant glow. The result is a breathtaking transformation that radiates confidence and style. Hold onto your seats, because Fadia is about to give us major haircut goals with this choppy A-line angled bob. In this clip, Fadia showcases her expertise on simple black hair with waves, creating a stylish and edgy transformation. The A-line cut adds a touch of sophistication, while the choppy layers give the bob a trendy and textured look. Fadia's precise cutting techniques and attention to detail result in a haircut that accentuates facial features and adds a bold statement. If you're looking for a fresh and modern hairstyle, this choppy A-line angled bob is a must-see. Next up, get ready to be amazed by the stunning long hair curling hairstyle transformation by the talented Juliana Nick. In this captivating video, Juliana showcases her expertise in curling long hair, taking it from ordinary to extraordinary. With her skillful techniques and attention to detail, she creates gorgeous, cascading curls that add volume and movement to the hair. Juliana's passion for hairstyling shines through as she effortlessly transforms the model's locks into a beautiful and glamorous masterpiece. If you're looking to elevate your long hair game and achieve those enviable curls, Juliana Nick's curling hairstyle transformation is perfect. Prepare to be transported to a world of vibrant colors with this extraordinary rainbow hair color transformation by the talented Sydney Lopez. In this clip, Sydney showcases her expertise in rainbow hair coloring on medium-length hair, combined with stunning wavy curls. With an artistic touch, Sydney expertly blends an array of vibrant hues, creating a mesmerizing rainbow effect that is sure to turn heads. The addition of wavy curls adds texture and dimension, enhancing the overall visual impact. Sydney's passion and skill in rainbow hair coloring make this transformation a true work of art that will leave you in awe. Next up, get ready to witness a breathtaking long hair ombre color transformation by the renowned Munir hair specialist Mike. In this captivating video, Mike showcases his expertise in creating stunning ombre looks on long hair. With meticulous precision, he seamlessly blends contrasting shades, transitioning from dark to light with seamless grace. The ombre effect adds depth and dimension to the hair, creating a mesmerizing visual impact. Mike's skillful techniques and artistic vision shine through, leaving the model with a gorgeous and head-turning result. Whether you're a fan of ombre or simply appreciate hair transformations, this video by Mike is a must-watch. Next up is an amazing bridal hair transformation. Whether you're a bride-to-be or simply love witnessing stunning hair makeovers, this clip is for you. This talented team of hairstylists will work their magic to create breathtaking bridal hairstyles that will leave you in awe. From intricate makeup adorned with delicate accessories to romantic cascading curls, every style is meticulously crafted to enhance the bride's natural beauty and make her feel like a true princess. Prepare to be mesmerized by the stunning blue ombre hair color transformation we have in store for you. In this captivating video, we're taking a journey from dark roots to a beautiful blend of dark blue in the middle, transitioning to a striking Arctic shade at the lower ends. This multi-dimensional ombre effect adds depth, intrigue, and a touch of boldness to the hair. Watch as this skilled stylist expertly applies the colors at once, creating a seamless gradient that will leave you in awe. If you're ready to make a statement with your hair, this blue ombre transformation is absolutely jaw-dropping. Get ready to be wowed by the edgy and chic, one-sided, long pixie textured cut. In this captivating video, we're exploring a hairstyle that combines boldness and femininity. Mike expertly crafts a long pixie cut that features one side longer than the other, creating a unique asymmetrical look. The hair is beautifully textured to add movement and dimension, giving it a modern and trendy vibe. This hairstyle is perfect for those seeking a fresh and stylish change, while still maintaining an air of sophistication. Get inspired by this fashionable and daring long pixie textured cut. Prepare to be amazed by the stunning layered long butterfly haircut transformation on black hair. In this captivating video, we're taking a classic hairstyle and giving it a modern twist. This expert stylist works their magic, creating layers that gracefully cascade down like butterfly wings. This haircut adds volume, movement, and a touch of elegance to black hair. The layers are strategically placed to enhance facial features and bring out the natural beauty of the hair. If you're looking for a hairstyle that's both timeless and trendy, this layered long butterfly haircut on black hair is an absolute must-see. Get ready to discover the secrets of bob hairstyling with the talented Carolyn. In this video, Carolyn showcases her expertise in creating fabulous looks for bob haircuts. To achieve that perfect style, she utilizes two incredible products: Root Boost for added volume and texture, Clay for a touch of texture and definition. Watch as Carolyn works her magic, effortlessly transforming a simple bob into a chic and stylish statement. With Root Boost giving lift and Luminous Hairspray providing a luminous finish, this hairstyle is sure to turn heads. Say hello to a bob that's full of life and personality, thanks to Carolyn's expert styling. In this incredible balayage hair transformation, we begin with a demineralization treatment to remove impurities. Next, a healthy trim ensures the hair is in optimal condition. Then, we move on to the foil application, expertly placing highlights for a stunning and natural balayage effect. Get ready for a breathtaking transformation. And there you have it, my lovely viewers. We've reached the end of this captivating video showcasing long hair color transformations, haircuts, and hairstyle tutorials. We hope you've enjoyed the journey as much as we have. Remember, your hair is your canvas, and with the right techniques and creativity, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're inspired by the vibrant colors, the trendy cuts, or the styling tips we've shared, we encourage you to embrace your own unique style and express yourself through your hair. Thank you for joining us today at Fashionista Hairstyles. Stay fabulous and keep rocking those amazing hairstyles.